Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to add a Google slide to Google Drive. Let's dive into the topic by first understanding why this process is beneficial. Imagine you've just crafted a compelling presentation using Google Slides. Naturally, you want to ensure it's stored safely and can be accessed or shared effortlessly later on. By adding your Google slide to Google Drive, you achieve just that. This process not only secures your file in the cloud, but also makes it easily shareable with your colleagues or classmates. Today, I'm here to guide you through this essential process step by step. To start, let's get familiar with what Google Drive and Google Slides are. Google Drive is a robust cloud-based storage solution provided by Google that allows you to store various types of files, such as documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. It also facilitates collaboration with others. On the other hand, Google Slides is a component of this suite, specifically designed for creating and managing presentations. Now, onto the actual process of adding a Google slide to your Google Drive. First, you'll need to access your Google Drive account. This involves going to the Google Drive website and signing in with your email and password. Once you've entered these details, click Next to proceed. This step is crucial as it ensures your presentation is saved in your designated Google Drive space, be it personal or work-related. After you're successfully logged in, it's time to locate your Google Slides presentation. If it's a project you've recently worked on, you'll likely find it in the Recent section of Google Drive. If not, don't worry. You can always head over to your Google Slides homepage to find it. Once you've opened your desired presentation in Google Slides, look for the File menu, which is typically located in the upper left corner. Clicking on File will open up a menu with various options. Here, you'll want to select Add Shortcut to Drive. This option is key to placing your presentation in Google Drive. Upon selecting it, you'll be prompted to choose the specific location within your drive where you'd like to store the file. If you're someone who likes to keep things organized, you might have dedicated folders for different categories, such as work, personal projects, or academic classes. Now is the perfect time to navigate to the appropriate folder for this presentation. Once you've selected your desired folder, you'll notice the Add button becomes clickable. Go ahead and click on it, and just like that, your Google slide is safely added to your Google Drive. This simple action ensures your presentation is securely stored and readily available for future reviewing, editing, or sharing. Storing your files in Google Drive not only helps with organization, but also guarantees that your files are backed up in the cloud. This is vital for preventing any potential data loss that can happen with files stored locally. Additionally, organizing your files in this way enhances collaboration with others, ensuring everyone involved always has access to the most up-to-date version of a document. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to add a Google slide to Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.